spillage. There's spillage in the floor. Look, here's what's inside Fiona's fridge. Ooh. Oh my god, there's something wet in my foot.
It's not so like the healthy thing, so like the raspberries and tomatoes.
Fiona, what's this? Look. What's that? Oh yeah, Fiona, totally healthy. Scrumptiouscakes.com. Yeah, whatever. What's that? Oh look, vodka, alky. What's in here? Ooh.
You want the best yours and he's mine, thank you.
What have you got here? Ooh. Ow, did you just hit me? What's in here? Ah, healthy shit. We're not interested in that. What's in the blue? Is this your packed lunch, Fiona?
No, that's cheese.
What's the thing held on by a clothes peg? I like that. No, what's this thing with the clothes peg?
I think that's maybe like
lamb escalope. I can't even pronounce that. I said escalopes in work and get the piss ripped out of me. What's this? I feel healthy and all that. Yeah, whipped cream. You dirty bitch.
You're fine, wait, what?
Look at you, dirty bitch. Vodka and whipped cream in the same bit. Where's the cucumber?
Look! Oh, I think it's maybe one of these jars.
Fiona's got a cucumber and whipped cream in here.
Oh, it's like your hat. It's up around like on steak.
Aye, sure. Stick that up your jacksie, don't you?
No, please. Maybe for that.
Do you realise it's getting Bebo, so anything you say might be, I'm going to say giving an evidence, but you know, what's in your freezer? Let's have a look here. Ooh! Aye, Fiona, you're rich cow, look at you. There's only one thing in my freezer, and that is ice lollies. Ah. There's nothing interesting in here. Ooh, what's this? Ooh! I'm just taking the shelf out.
No bother.
Fiona, seriously, I can't get it back in.
Oh no. Please, I better not damage the food. Stop.
Fiona, I can't get the shelf.
I was left with one simple instruction. To water the hanging basket.
No, I've destroyed the shelf. Oh, it's fine. Oh no, I didn't mention. I fell on the floor. Oh, I can't breathe. Right, okay, I'm just gonna look at this. What the fuck is this?
Spaghetti bolognese.
Fiona, it's solidified sick. Is what it is. What is that?
Spaghetti bolognese.
Fiona, we're stuck in the floor.
Oh, do you want a fish finger?
Yeah.
Veg.
I nearly put that in your teeth, by the way. I'm so sorry. What is this? I like the things in the Tupperware boxes. Look at that. Let's have a look. I can't get it out.
Homemade.
I can't get it. Oh, no, wait. No, I've got it. Let's have a look. Oh, what the fuck is that? It looks like shit. It's frozen shit. There's Tupperware. I can't breathe. Oh, look, more Tupperware. Oh, look at ice lolly. Can I have this? I don't want ice lolly.
Oh, no. I don't know how to look.
Oh my god, Fiona, what's the you in the clothes pig? This is going in people. This is so funny. Oh, look. Oh, no, there's nothing interesting now. Fiona's sitting and drinking like God. Like crouched in the corner of our house. You should know right now that I'm going to like sleep on Fiona's floor because I don't think I'll be able to get home. There you go.
Are you not going to put that Tupperware box back in the freezer?
No, that's what you were going to. Sorry.
I have to put it back in after you dragged it out.
Sorry.
Oh no. Black teeny. Back. No, what's teeny?
There you go.
We'll have to go to Annie.
There was a tour of Fiona's fridge.